So you're thinking about buying from JulaJewelry.com? Hold up, let's take a closer look before you hand over your credit card. I spent hours digging, and what I found is honestly pretty worrying. First red flag, deceptive advertising. Jula Jewelry always seems to be closing down or offering these wild 80% off deals. Classic tactics to make you panic and buy now. But the truth? Most people never even get their orders. And if they do, the items are nothing like the photos. Think flimsy, fake metals, and super cheap quality. Next, if you try to contact them, good luck. The only emails I could find were generic Gmail accounts, nothing professional at all. And if you want to return something, be ready to ship it back to China at your own expense, which can actually cost more than what you bought. Here's another twist. Lots of reports say they use AI-generated photos of people to make themselves look legit. So those happy customer pics? Probably not real. If you want to avoid getting scammed by sites like this, here's what I do. Always check independent review sites, like Trustpilot, but watch out for a sudden wave of too good to be true reviews. Real businesses have real addresses and phone numbers, so make sure their contact info checks out. And always search for the company name plus scam or Reddit to see what real customers are saying. One last thing, don't mix up Jula Jewelry with brands like Jula or Julia. Those are completely different, and at least more established. If you already bought from JulaJewelry.com, contact your bank or payment provider ASAP and try to get your money back.